Sir Winston Churchill has gone down in history as one of Great Britain's most influential and memorable politicians. With a public service career spanning several decades, Churchill fulfilled many crucial roles in the British government, including 2 terms as Prime Minister, and accrued a vast amount of political and life experience. He was a genius military leader who led the United Kingdom through one of its darkest times and inspired millions of people with his extraordinary oration. Here are some of the most powerful Winston Churchill quotes demonstrating that he was truly a force to be reckoned with. Healthy citizens are the greatest asset any country can have. History is written by the victors. I always avoid prophesying beforehand, because it is a much better policy to prophesy after the event has already taken place. Difficulties mastered are opportunities won. Great and good are seldom the same man. I am always ready to learn, although I do not always like being taught. Eating words has never given me indigestion. Courage is rightly esteemed the first of human qualities, because it is the quality which guarantees all others. Courage is what it takes to stand up and speak, courage is also what it takes to sit down and listen. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity, an optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. Although prepared for martyrdom, I preferred that it be postponed. All the great things are simple, and many can be expressed in a single word: freedom, justice, honor, duty, mercy, hope. A joke is a very serious thing. Attitude is a little thing that makes a big difference. A prisoner of war is a man who tries to kill you and fails, and then asks you not to kill him. A fanatic is one who can't change his mind and won't change the subject. Everyone has his day, and some days last longer than others. A politician needs the ability to foretell what is going to happen tomorrow, next week, next month, and next year. And to have the ability afterwards to explain why it didn't happen. The inherent vice of capitalism is the unequal sharing of blessings, the inherent virtue of socialism is the equal sharing of miseries. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Russia is a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma. Success consists of going from failure to failure without loss of enthusiasm. Study history, study history. In history lies all the secrets of statecraft. Now this is not the end. It is not even the beginning of the end. But it is, perhaps, the end of the beginning. No crime is so great as daring to excel. I never worry about action, but only inaction. Never, never, never give up. I may be drunk, miss, but in the morning I will be sober and you will still be ugly. Kites rise highest against the wind, not with it. In war, you can only be killed once, but in politics, many times. I'm just preparing my impromptu remarks. I like a man who grins when he fights. Meeting Franklin Roosevelt was like opening your first bottle of champagne, knowing him was like drinking it. If you're going through hell, keep going. It is a mistake to look too far ahead. Only one link of the chain of destiny can be handled at a time. I am easily satisfied with the very best. Democracy is the worst form of government, except for all those other forms that have been tried already. If we open a quarrel between past and present, we shall find that we have lost the future. There is no such thing as a good tax. We shall show mercy, but we shall not ask for it. There are 2 things that are more difficult than making an after-dinner speech: climbing a wall which is leaning toward you and kissing a girl who is leaning away from you. When you have to kill a man, it costs nothing to be polite. We make a living by what we get, but we make a life by what we give. You have enemies? Good. That means you've stood up for something, sometime in your life. We are masters of the unsaid words, but slaves of those we let slip out. The length of this document defends it well against the risk of its being read. The price of greatness is responsibility. There is no such thing as public opinion. There is only published opinion. War is mainly a catalogue of blunders. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.